Bambridge town in the county down, one born and last July. Down the Boring Green came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. Oh, she looked so sweet from her two bare feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a winsome elf that I pinched myself for to see I was standing there. From the Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. As she onward sped, well I scratched my head and I looked with a feeling rare. And I said, says I, to a passer-by, who's that maid with the nut brown hair? Well, he smiled at me and he said, says he, she's the gem of Ireland's crown. Young Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From the Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid unseen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Well, I've travelled a bit, but I've never been hit since my roving career began. Yeah, but fair and square I surrendered there to the charm of old Rosie McCann. With a heart to let and no tenant yet did I meet and a row began. Yeah, but in she went and I asked no rent from the start of the county down. From the Bantry Bay and the Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down.